Okay, future characteristic nature of the business environment. Now we are going to study about the nature of the बिजनेस इन्वायरमेंट किस तरह का नेचर रहेगा यहाँ पे. द मेन फीचर ऑफ बिजनेस इन्वायरमेंट आर फर्स्ट ऑल द एक्सटर्नल फोर्सेज ओके. एक्सटर्नल मीन्स आउटर साइड जो फोर्सेस है. बिजनेस इन्वायरमेंट इंक्लूड ऑल द फोर्सेज इंस्टीट्यूशन एंड फैक्टर्स विच आर द एक्सटर्नल बिजनेस और ऑर्गेनाइजेशन. Second, specific and general forces. Specific and general forces. Business environment include both type of specific and general forces. Specific force affect the business enterprises directly, immediate in their day-to-day life working, and this includes supply, investor, customer. General force are social, political, legal, technological condition have impact on the other enterprises and affect individual firms only the indirectly. Okay, so specific and general force will be affect our business. So this is the environment of the provide environment to the business. Okay, next, interrelation. Okay, interrelation, all the forces of business environment are interrelated to each other. Okay, all the factors means not forces, all the forces and factors are the interrelated to the business environment, okay, to each other. For an example, with the inclination youth word western culture, the demand of for fast food increasing. Okay, so all the factors are related, interlinked to each other. Because of this we can see here inclination youth toward the western culture. आज के जो युवा जनरेशन वो वेस्टर्न कल्चर की ओर बहुत अग्रसर है. सो द ग्रेट डिमांड ऑफ इंक्रीज ऑफ फास्ट फूड एंड new fashion dresses which are exist in the western country. So most of the youth attract with the western culture, so they are interrelated to each other. Okay, uncertainty is a very essential part of the business environment. It is very difficult to predict the change of the business environment. Okay, it is very difficult, we cannot predict of the change of the business environment. हम ये अंदाज़ा नहीं लगा सकते कि फ्यूचर में किस तरह बिजनेस होगा, किस तरह हमारा बिजनेस चलेगा. हम उसको इंडिकेशन या इमेजिन नहीं कर सकते हैं. बिकॉज ऑफ एज द इन्वायरमेंट इज चेंजिंग वेरी फास्ट फॉर द in IT fashion industry frequently are the fast changes are taking place. Okay, because of the environment change very fast, as well as IT, information technology, fashion industry, and frequently and fast changes are taking place in the market. So it will be great effect of the business environment. Now dynamic business environment is a highly flexible and keep changing. Okay, it is very highly flexible, dynamic. Okay, sometimes the cold drinks items, the other product item increase too much, and sometimes the demand of this particular product will be decreased. Okay, so keep in changing, it is not static or rigid. That's why it's essential to monitor and scan the business environment continuously. So that is why we need to scanning and monitoring of the business environment continuously. Okay, then we can survive in the market, otherwise we will face a lot of problems. Now next, 6, complex. It is a very difficult to understand the impact of the business environment on companies. Okay, it is very difficult to understand the impact of the business environment on the company. Okay, it is very difficult, we cannot understand easily the impact of the business environment of the company easily. We particular ordinary people cannot understand the impact of the business environment of the company. Although it is easy to scan the environment, but although हालांकि ये बहुत easy है to understand to scan the environment, but it is very difficult to know how the change will influence the business decision. Okay, but we cannot identify, we cannot recognize how this change will be affect our business. Okay, sometimes change may be minor, but it is might be have large impact. Okay, sometimes it is a change, minor change in the market, either in the fashion, either in technology, but it will be great effect of the business. Okay, for an example, the a change in the government policy to increase the taxes rate by 5% may affect the income of the company by large amount. Okay, when government increase 5% tax, so it will be affect a great amount of the company's revenue. Okay, then last, 7th, relativity. Business environment differ from country to country, region to region as political conditions. Okay, this business environment is different from country to country. Okay, we understand, we can easily understand, because हर country में जो है उनके business environment अलग होगा, उनके policy according to central government, state government difference हो सकता है, region to region, political condition, culture and different in different countries. Okay, so for an example, there may be more demand of saris in India compared to USA or UK. Okay, because in India most of the people, women wear saris, and but some condition in the environment may have different effect of different enterprises. For an example, when consumer organization found pesticide in the cold drinks. Okay, pesticide in cold drink, it can as a concentrate for cold drink industry, but it was an opportunity to juice industry. Okay, तो इस प्रकार से हम देख सकते हैं यहाँ पे कि कुछ प्रोडक्ट की डिमांड किसी पर्टिकुलर कंट्री में ये बहुत बड़ी हो सकती है, लेकिन किसी कंट्री में नहीं हो सकती। जैसे यहाँ सारी का एग्जांपल दिया हमने, तो इंडिया में बहुत बड़ी ग्रेट डिमांड, बट इट इज़ द डिमांड ऑफ ज़ीरो इन द अदर यूरोपियन कंट्री, अदर वेस्टर्न कंट्री। ओके, सो ये अलग अलग हो सकता है यहाँ पे डिमांड प्रोडक्ट की। सो ये अपने बिजनेस इन्वायरमेंट को काफ़ी इफेक्ट करेगा। ओके, नाउ नेक्स्ट रिमेनिंग पोर्शन वी विल कंटिन्यू इन नेक्स्ट lecture. Okay, thank you.